with you as we enter the new millennium, a new age for growth and development onwards Philippines 2000. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ida Torres, a 23-year-old proud graduate of the University of the East Manila, finished with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and a certified public accountant by profession, and I say that the only difference between success and failure is learning when to stand when the rest falls behind. Ang nasa inyo pong harapan ay nag-iisang Miss Universe na nag-iisang nagpatibok at nagpaluha sa puso ni Aga Mulak. Ang original dancing queen ng ABC Channel 5, nagmumula pa po sa bansang Puerto Rico. Ako po si Binibining Dayanara Torres na nagsasabing SMB. Hindi lamang sarap mag-beer, kundi sarap maging bading. At bago ko lisanin ang harap na ito, nais kong mag-iwan ng isang wise tip sa inyong mga kalalakihan. Mamakla na lang kayo imbis na mambabae, magsing sarap, ngunit di sing mahal. Maraming salamat po.
Narabiyo amin ako, siyak ni Maria Juri na mga tao. Nagabuha sa Saudi Arabia, thank you very much, Sokra.